Today I'm going to show you how to handle your camera. Okay, so firstly, with your right hand, if you have a strap, just insert it through here. Okay, and with your left hand, just make sure you support the weight of your camera. Okay, with your left hand supporting it, you should actually be able to have the camera just floating there. Your right hand is really there just for support and also to press on the shutter. Okay, so when you're holding it in this fashion, your left hand is free to turn the zoom ring to allow you to zoom in and out. Okay, so that's basically one way on how you can hold your camera. Now the next tip here is what happens when you need to use a slower shutter speed and you need to stabilize the camera even more, but you don't happen to have a tripod. So what we do here is we bring the strap over our shoulder and make sure it's nice and taut like this and push against it so that it's stabilized. Okay, so that's how you can use what's called a rifling method to stabilize your camera, but just make sure you've got your head inside the strap. A lot more comfortable. Okay, so we've got this pushed taut against the camera, and now we can proceed to shoot. Okay, and that's how we hold our camera. I hope this has been interesting and valuable for you. And let's just start that one again. And this is how we hold our camera. I hope that this has been of value to you, and I'll see you next time. Yeah,